Hi families! Just a short video to help you figure out which assignments need to be submitted to me and which ones are just for practice. So if you look here at the to-do this week, those are the lessons that will be completed. You can also find those by hitting the modules button. If you look over here on the right under to-do, these are all of the assignments that will be done this week. Assignments that need to come to me. So if it's got a rocket ship, like these first two here, those are either tests or quizzes and will be sent right to me when the kids are done with them. If you look at these last two assignments, there's a little symbol of a piece of paper and a pencil. Those are the assignments that have to be sent to me. You'll take the picture, save it to the computer, upload it, and send it to me by hitting that submit button. I'm just going to show you one more way to look at things. If we go into modules, right here. Okay, if we look at work that's going to be done this week, if it's got a little chain in front of it, that is a lesson. Right here, rocket ship, quiz or test, chain, another lesson, rocket ship, quiz or test. Now within these lessons, see there's another chain, there will be activities that can be printed out and completed. Those are just for you and your kiddo. Kiddo does the work and then you can check them over and talk with your kiddo about them afterwards. If it looks like they might need a little extra help with those activities, save them and have them show them to me in our one-on-one meetings. If you see here, there is a double the fun. It's got the piece of paper and a pencil, needs to be sent to me. Little clue that it needs to be sent to me. We're just gonna fast track to the very end of this lesson. Go to page 8. What is my assignment? It's time to show what you know. Complete the activity. There's the printer symbol, there's where you get it. And it'll say read the lesson, complete the activities in the lesson, complete and save your assignment, submit your work. So it looks like there are two different words they're using, activities and assignments. Assignments come to me, activities, those are the practice. Hope that helps.